If you own a business and you want to know how to use your phone to make YouTube videos, well, you're in the right place, because today I'm going to be showing you how to keep it simple and really make it easy for you to make great video that attracts customers to your business just by using your phone. Hey everyone, I'm Richard Cruz, and my agency WSI Priority Media tests new Google Ads and YouTube Ads strategy every single day in our agency. We're discovering what's working, what's not working, and in these videos I just share with you the ideas to be able to help you get better results with your own digital marketing campaigns. I am not going to go super technical with you today and all the advanced techie stuff that you can do with your phone for video making. See, there's tons of gadget videos out there that are going to tell you all the cool gear that you have to get for your phone to make video. The phone is portable, it's simple. And that's the beauty of it. You can make great YouTube videos with it. I'm a YouTube ad specialist, and we make videos for our own agency and our clients every day that generate leads. And we have all the great tools in the studio, but what I have found is that what works best is simple, keeping it simple. When people ask me about how to use your phone to make YouTube videos, I tell them, keep it very, very easy. And so the more complex that you make it, the harder it's going to be to produce it. You want to create great content often. And when you come up with an idea and you want to be creative and put a message out there and you want to market that video to attract business, don't forget that's the most important part. And so if you have a current phone that's a decent model, you have enough resources in it to make really great videos with just a few tweaks. And so let's just jump into it, and I'm going to give you my top tips on how to use your phone to be able to make great videos. So if you're moving, then what I want you to do is make sure that you have a really good gimbal. A good gimbal is going to be something that is going to be a great resource for you. My favorite is DJI gimbal. The reason why I like it, it is one of the most compact ones on the market that I have seen out there. And so you're able to just literally set this up, great motion, making it super easy, and you're able to have a really smooth interface. So this is if you have to have motion. If you don't have to have motion, then you don't have to worry about this. What's really nice about this DJI gimbal is that it has a little stand that I can screw up in here, and it's got some little legs, so I can set it up on a desktop. I can have it follow me around and do all kinds of cool things. Lighting is next. See, lighting is important for avoiding dark faces or images, and your phone's video is going to look best with natural lighting. Phone video is best, remember, being simple. And if you want special lighting, then go shoot with a DSLR camera. But if you want simple and portable, try to face your subject into a window with natural light. And so if you need some filler light that's portable and not bigger than your phone, I love my bowling light. It is small. It is smaller than my phone, or about the same size, and it gives great light, and I'm able to use a color selection as well too. And this little guy is just a power horse. It lasts a long time, and when I just need that extra little bit of light, I'm able to really complement the shot, get rid of any shadows. I try to avoid this as much as I can. A lot of times I'm looking for that natural light, and I'll shoot that way. But this right here is my best friend. It's portable, and I just carry this all in my backpack. Everything that I do with my phone, because it's on the go, in my backpack I have my small portable gear that I use. The next item is near and dear to my heart: microphone audio. Folks, it is the most important thing when you are making video. You have to have great audio, folks. Never skimp here. A phone's built-in mic is never gonna give you the quality that you need for a good YouTube video. You can have marginal video with good audio and viewers find it fine. But if you have really good crisp video but your audio is poor, it's going to be a bad viewing experience. It's going to be like nails on a chalkboard. Viewers will bounce from your YouTube video. So here's what I use for microphones. First thing I like is a cable lapel mic. I like to use a 16 or 20 foot cord, then that way you can film across the room, not just for selfie shots, but like most short cables like this one here are going to be usually 4 feet or 6 feet, and they're really designed for selfies. A longer cable across the room is going to work really great. I'm using that right now. I have a 20-foot cable that is just like this here, and I'm going to put a link in the description below where you can order that if you're interested in that. And when I'm using a lapel mic, I like a clean look right here. And so instead of clipping it on the outside, what I do is I tape it on the inside. So right now, the audio that you're listening to me on is taped on the inside of my shirt. And so what it does is it does two things. Number one, it gives me a clean look. And number two, it acts as a pop filter as well too, without having any big extra foam to be able to create those pops. So if I were to just to open up my shirt, and I won't do it because it's going to create all kinds of noise, but if I were to open up my shirt, you would just see it taped right to the back. About right there is where it's at. Another good mic to go with if you, for some reason, are not able to use a lapel mic. This is one that I love. Again, it's for your phone, so it's got to be portable and it's got to be really, really good quality. And so I love my little Rode mic. This one right here is the Rode, it's called the Micro, Video Micro. And this guy right here is super small, super compact, really easy. With a converter cable, I can fit it right into my iPhone, or if you've got a 3.5 millimeter jack, you just plug right in. This gives really good sound, and it's a directional boom mic, so it's not going to pick up ambient sound around. It's going to direct it right to where the person's voice is going to be. So those are my two go-tos, but most of the time when I'm shooting in YouTube, I'm usually going to use the lapel mic that you see me recording on right now. Landscape mode. Always, always, always shoot in landscape mode. This is the most important basic tip, since portrait mode gives you those black, ugly, borders in your final video clip. And don't use the zoom function. The zoom on your iPhone, it's going to be digital when you stretch it out. It's not. You don't want to use the optical zoom. That's no good for detail or imaging or quality. So be real careful when you're zooming, because you can lose quality and you can get graininess. And last but not least, put your phone in airplane mode. When you're shooting with a DSLR camera, you don't have to worry about that. Your camera's not going to ring. I can't begin to tell you how many times I've gotten that perfect shot. Halfway through, my phone rings or it beeps. It is embarrassing. It is frustrating. So keep it simple, folks. The beauty of the iPhone or other mobile phones is that the combination of power and simplicity and portability, and there's apps out there that control the aperture settings of my phone, but I don't use them. My iPhone has so many great features right out of the box. As long as I get some good lighting and some good audio on it, I'm almost always going to be able to get a good enough shot for YouTube videos, and I keep it simple. And so that is my overview on how to use your phone to make YouTube videos. And if you'd like to learn how to get more traffic to those YouTube videos and more potential customers on a continuous basis, then you know what? Grab a copy of our third book. It is called Digital Minds. It's the #1 book on the market on advanced digital marketing. It is loaded with tips and strategies that my team has developed at our WSI corporate office after 20 years of digital marketing. And it's $20 on Amazon, but click the link below and you can get a digital copy for free on the house on me. So, hey, make sure that you subscribe so you're alerted of more videos like this. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.